How to chat in Tinder, beginner's guide in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can chat in Tinder and the beginner's guide towards it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to start chatting on Tinder, all you have to do is launch the Tinder app. Now you might see the chat icon here. Doesn't mean you can chat with anybody. You can only chat with someone on Tinder if you are a potential match, which means that if you liked them and you swiped right on them, they also swiped right on you, which means that they liked you back in return. Then you are a match, and only when you are a match you will be able to talk to each other. Example, if I come here, if I swipe right on this lady over here, what happens is that she won't know that I have liked her. Then once she sees my profile and maybe she likes me back as well, then we are a match, and it means that we will be able to talk to each other. But if I swipe left and that person swipes right on me, it doesn't matter. Now even if I swipe right and then this lady swipes left on me, which is a no, then we are not a match. So both of you needs to like each other unknowingly, then you will be a match, and then you will be able to go ahead and then start chatting. This way you can chat in Tinder. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.